is KC24 News Midday.
All month long, we are sharing the stories of the remarkable women who are making a difference in the Central Valley.
Well, Community Regional Medical Center prides itself on being the main trauma center between Los Angeles and Sacramento. I got a chance to sit down and talk with a woman who helped make this goal a reality.
This remarkable woman is brought to you by Central Valley Honda dealers.
Robyn Gonzales is a name well known throughout Community Regional Medical Center. But years ago, when she was in college and trying to navigate life, a healthcare pamphlet from her mother quickly drew her interest towards a career that serves others.
I worked my way really up through the ranks and did pretty much whatever I was asked to do. And that's always, when people ask me for advice, that's one of the things I always say is, when someone asks you to do something, say yes.
Her first stop was working for Valley Medical Center. In her time there, she gained knowledge from all departments, a skill that would help jumpstart a career that would have a lasting impact on the Central Valley.
I think people have helped me be the best version of myself. I think, I really believe that God gave me, He equipped me, right? He gave me these gifts.
Fast forward years later, a gift for her hard work was awarded when she was named the Chief Operating Officer at Community Regional Medical Center. Robyn navigated the years mastering skills in billing, management, and consulting. But as the year 2020 approached, she knew a new task was calling her name. As COVID came and impacted the world and our Central Valley, she took on the role of Incident Commander, a role to not only flatten the curve, but to help combat emergency preparedness solutions.
And my understanding of how that all worked really helped me understand how to navigate and how to get things done that weren't always very easy to get done.
She knew working with all departments at CRMC to come up with solutions for patients had to be done.
I mean, I have so many memories of working together and then those sort of sidebars that happen after, because it really was a war. I mean, it was us against the pandemic.
It was through facilitating groups coming together that she was able to keep an integral medical center up and running for local sick patients. But as the peak of the pandemic came and went, a new and exciting journey called her name. In 2024, she made the decision to finally retire, a decision that was not easy after working alongside a team she considered family.
And just like I have my family, right, and all of that, I have this family here that honestly will always be my family.
CRMC prides itself on bettering the lives of those that they serve, a motto Robyn has done her best to instill for decades.
It gives me such great pride because as the years have gone on, we've done our best to build services here that will enable our valley to stay home and not have to go out of the valley.
And now we are rounding the curve around 5 years since the start of the pandemic.
Yeah.
So now it's nice that we get to showcase someone who did so much for so many people during that time.
She's a Central Valley girl, and she said, I made it my goal to stay here, and that's what she did. And just visiting her at the hospital last week when we shot this story, she has so much respect. I mean, she's been gone for a year, and she couldn't walk through the hallways without someone wanting to shake her hand or give her a hug. So you really see that impact that Robyn had.
And it is so important to have such a high-level facility here with such a gap between, like you said, Sacramento to LA. That's a nice thing.
She's had a big part in that. So thank you, Robyn. Great story.